Headache English, enjoy learning.
Words to discuss. Accident, incident. Aisle. Climactic, climatic. Pair. Way.
Accident versus incident. Accident, noun, an unfortunate event that caused damage or injury.
Incident, noun, an unfortunate event that caused damage or injury.
Examples. Accident, he was comatose after his accident last week.
Incident. The story she wrote is based on real-life incident.
Let us use the words together. It has been a year now since that incident, and now, you almost got into an accident again? Mom shouted furiously.
Aisle versus aisle. Aisle, noun, walkway or passage between rows or shelves.
Aisle, noun, a small island or peninsula.
Examples. Aisle, I want to sit beside the window, I don't like to be in the aisle seat.
Aisle, Peggy was enjoying her time at the aisle before going back to work.
Let us use the words together. Almost everyone stood in the aisle of the airplane. They were excited to reach the aisle.
Climactic versus climatic. Climactic, adjective, exciting, thrilling, or most intense part of a story.
Climatic, adjective, refers to the climate.
Examples. Climactic, the story he wrote was so climactic that it made me cry.
Climatic, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes climatic changes.
Let us use the words together. The climatic condition where they are filming the movie adds effect when they reach the climactic part of the story.
Pair versus pair. Pair, noun, a set of two things. Verb, join, connect or team up to form a pair.
Pear, noun, a yellowish or brownish green fruit.
Examples. Pear, I can't find my pair of socks.
Pear, one of my favorite fruits is pear.
Let us use the words together. The players were given one pair for every pair.
Way versus way. Way, noun, a method or a style, road, path.
Weigh, verb, to measure mass or to find how heavy something is.
Examples. Weigh, the way he explained the lesson was understandable.
Weigh, I weigh 20 pounds more than you.
Let us use the words together. Weighing is the only way to know how heavy the item is.
You're in the mid part of the video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Now, let us see how the students use the words we discussed.
I can't believe we're finally here.
And it feels good that we were chosen to represent the university. Anyway, girls, this is my friend, Staff. Staff, that's Misha and Amber.
Nice to meet you, Staff. Oh, I know him. He was my pair last year.
Yeah, you gave me a pair during break time before.
I'm glad you remembered it.
Of course. I bet it was your way to offer friendship?
Right. That's because you helped me weigh what I was carrying before.
Well, Jax. As I was saying, Ken won't be participating this year.
Is it Ken Parker?
You're right, but how did you know?
Oh, he's a family friend.
He met an accident last night.
What? I think the incident from last month was still fresh.
That's true. But coach said he can join the after-game party to an aisle they rented.
That's good then, hopefully he'll be okay soon. I'm afraid he'll just stroll around the aisle of their library room again just to not be bored.
I hope so. I am looking forward to the climactic highlights of this year's event.
Let us also hope that climatic change won't appear during the game. Let's check your knowledge. Direction, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. The people shouted when they saw a blank. Number 2. The blank that happened in that place was the same as what happened to me last night. Number 3. The blank made a big impact on Felicia's life.
Letter A. Accident. Letter B. Incident.
The correct answers are Number 2. Letter B, the incident that happened in that place was the same as what happened to me last night. Number 3. Letter A, the accident made a big impact on Felicia's life.
Number 4. We found a beautiful blank on the internet. Number 5. Seth complained about the blank place. Number 6. I was walking at the hospital's blank when I saw my friend.
Letter A. Aisle. Letter B. Aisle.
The correct answers are: Number 4. Letter B, we found a beautiful aisle on the internet. Number 6. Letter A, I was walking at the hospital's aisle when I saw my friend.
Number 7. The play excites me when it reached the blank part. Number 8. The blank changes rapidly. Number 9. Observing blank conditions is valuable.
Letter A. Climactic. Letter B. Climatic.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter A, the play excites me when it reached the climactic part. Number 9. Letter B, observing climatic conditions is valuable.
Number 10. The people in the conference room are having blank meeting. Number 11. We went blank picking last month. Number 12. I am planning to buy a new blank of shoes in New York.
Letter A. Pear. Letter B. Pear.
The correct answers are: Number 11. Letter B, we went pear picking last month. Number 12. Letter A, I am planning to buy a new pair of shoes in New York.
Number 13. The only blank to find out the solution is to do trial and error. Number 14. It is a long blank for me. Number 15. Daniel used a scale to blank the fruits.
Letter A. Weigh. Letter B. Weigh.
The correct answers are: Number 13. Letter A. The only way to find out the solution is to do trial and error. Number 15. Letter B. Daniel used a scale to blank the fruits. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell.